This used to be enough for gas, lunch, maybe a donut. Now, it's barely enough for gas and disappointment. You're not going crazy. Prices are rising. Welcome to inflation, the invisible monster draining your wallet. Inflation means your money loses value over time. That $1 you saved last year, it can't buy the same stuff today. See this burger? Same burger, bigger price, smaller fries, same hunger. Inflation is usually measured by the CPI, a fancy way to say how much more expensive are basic things now. Reason number one, too much money in circulation. When governments print money, it's like watering down soda. It tastes cheaper. Reason number two, supply chain issues. When products are scarce, prices rise. Reason number three, external shocks, like oil shortages, war, or a bad haircut on Wall Street. Reason number four, corporate greed. Some companies just raise prices because they can. Even if you get a raise, if prices rise faster, you're still broke. That's called real wage loss. It sucks. Grocery bills go up, gas costs more, rent becomes a jump scare, but your paycheck stays mid. If your savings aren't growing faster than inflation, they're basically shrinking. You don't have to be rich to fight inflation, just smarter than your past self. Invest your money, index funds, stocks, crypto, if you like spicy life. Cut unnecessary expenses. Do you need 3 subscriptions to streaming services? Start a side hustle, digital products, content creation, or selling your notes to desperate students. Learn skills that pay. The more valuable you are, the more you earn, earns, less inflation pain. Inflation may be out of your control, but how you respond to it isn't. Make smart decisions today so your money works harder tomorrow. If you found this breakdown helpful, consider subscribing. We cover real topics with real talk to help you take back control of your finances. Hit the bell so you don't miss what's next.